Ever wondered what the future of AI looks like? We're constantly bombarded with news about artificial intelligence getting smarter, more capable, but how powerful actually is the cutting edge? Today, we're diving deep into Google's Gemini, a large language model that's making waves, to explore just how powerful it really is. Before we jump in, let's set the stage. AI, in its simplest form, is about creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think problem solving, learning, decision making. For years, this was the stuff of science fiction, but now, it's rapidly becoming a part of our everyday lives. From the autocorrect on your phone to the recommendations you get on streaming services, AI is already at work. Large language models, like Gemini, take this a step further. They're trained on massive datasets of text and code, allowing them to understand and generate human language with an unprecedented level of fluency. They can translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. They're essentially the brains behind many of the most exciting AI applications we're seeing today. 1. Promptasticworld.com. Promptasticworld.com. So, where does Gemini fit into all of this? Well, Google has positioned Gemini as its most capable and general model yet. They've emphasized its multimodal capabilities, meaning it's not just about text. Gemini is designed to understand and work with different types of information, including images, audio, and video. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Think about it. Imagine an AI that can not only understand your spoken requests, but also analyze the images you're showing it to provide a more comprehensive and contextually relevant response. That's the power of multimodality. It's not just about processing words, it's about understanding the world in a more holistic way, much like we do. One area where Gemini is demonstrating its power is in understanding and generating code. This isn't just about writing simple scripts. Gemini can understand complex code bases, identify bugs, and even suggest improvements. This has huge implications for software development, potentially leading to faster development cycles and more robust software. Imagine developers being able to collaborate with an AI that can understand their code at a deep level and assist them in real time. Beyond code, Gemini's ability to understand and generate different creative text formats is remarkable. It can write poems, articles, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. While some might worry about AI replacing human creativity, it's more likely that these models will become powerful tools for human creators, helping them to explore new ideas and push the boundaries of their craft. Think of it as a collaboration, where humans and AI work together to create something truly unique. But the power of Gemini goes beyond just generating content. It's also about understanding and reasoning. These models are trained to identify patterns, make connections, and draw inferences from the information they've been trained on. This allows them to answer complex questions, solve problems, and even generate new ideas. Now, it's important to remember that Gemini, like any AI model, is not perfect. It's still under development, and there are limitations. One of the key challenges is ensuring that these models are trained on diverse and representative datasets to avoid biases and ensure fairness. Another challenge is ensuring that these models are used responsibly and ethically. The power of AI comes with a responsibility to use it for good. We've seen instances where AI models have generated biased or offensive content, highlighting the importance of ongoing research and development in areas like AI safety and ethics. It's crucial that we develop these technologies in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. Another area of ongoing research is explainability. We want to understand why an AI model makes a particular decision. This is important for building trust and ensuring that these models are used responsibly. If we can understand how an AI arrives at a particular conclusion, we can better identify potential biases or limitations. So, how powerful is Gemini? It's undeniably a significant step forward in the field of AI. Its multimodal capabilities, its ability to understand and generate code, and its reasoning abilities make it a powerful tool with the potential to transform many industries. From software development to creative writing, from scientific research to education, Gemini has the potential to make a real impact. However, it's important to remember that this is just the beginning. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and models like Gemini are constantly being improved and refined. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and it's exciting to think about what might be possible in the years to come. What's particularly interesting is the potential for these models to personalize experiences. Imagine a world where your AI assistant understands your needs and preferences so well that it can anticipate your requests and provide you with truly tailored information and support. This could revolutionize everything from education to healthcare. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to develop more powerful AI models, it's crucial that we address the ethical considerations and ensure that these technologies are used in a way that benefits humanity. This requires collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and the public to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. The development of Gemini and other large language models is not just about building smarter machines. It's about understanding ourselves better. By trying to create artificial intelligence, we gain a deeper understanding of human intelligence. We learn more about how we think, how we learn, and how we interact with the world around us. This journey into the world of AI is not just about technology, it's about exploring the very nature of intelligence itself. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're sure to uncover even more amazing discoveries. The potential of AI is vast, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.